Hey everyone! Ready to make some serious cash this summer? We're talking about 6 incredible side hustles that could help you rake in a cool $10,000 before summer's over. So, are you ready to unlock your inner entrepreneur and become a money-making machine? Then buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive right into these 6 incredible side hustles.
Let's kick things off with freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork let you offer your skills to the world. Are you a coding whiz? Graphic design guru? A wordsmith extraordinaire? There's someone out there willing to pay you for it. Imagine this. You're chilling on a beach in Bali, sipping on a coconut, and getting paid to design a website for a client in New York City. Create profiles, showcase your skills, set your rates, and start pitching to potential clients. Consistency is key.
Are you a mathlete, a history buff, a science whiz? Turn those A+ grades into cash with online tutoring. Platforms like TutorMe and Schooly connect you with students who need help. You don't need to be a certified teacher. As long as you have a passion for your subject and a knack for explaining things, you're good to go. Set your own rates and schedule. Dust off those textbooks, polish up your teaching skills, and get ready to share your knowledge with the world.
Calling all animal lovers. Pet sitting and dog walking are fun, rewarding, and lucrative. People are willing to pay top dollar to ensure their pets are well cared for. You'll provide love, attention, and care to furry companions while their owners are busy or out of town. Find gigs through word of mouth, local classifieds, or apps like Rover and Wag. So, if you love hanging out with adorable animals, grab your leash, stock up on treats, and become the ultimate pet whisperer.
Lawn care services are a hot commodity during the summer. People are busy enjoying their vacations and don't want to spend time mowing the lawn or weeding flower beds. Armed with your lawnmower and gardening tools, you'll become the neighborhood's go-to lawn care expert. Offer package deals and discounts for recurring services to lock in regular clients. Fire up those lawnmowers and get ready to mow your way to a mountain of cash this summer.
Are you a creative soul with a knack for crafting? Turn your passion into profit with handmade crafts. Platforms like Etsy provide a global marketplace for artisans. From jewelry to home decor, the possibilities are endless. Identify your niche, develop a unique style, and create high-quality products. Promote your creations on social media, participate in local craft fairs, and offer excellent customer service to build a loyal following and watch your sales soar.
Social media is king. Businesses need savvy individuals to help them navigate the world of social media marketing. As a social media manager, you'll help businesses connect with their audience, build brand awareness, and drive sales. Learn the ropes, build your portfolio, and offer your services to local businesses or influencers. Master storytelling, engage with followers, and transform your social media skills into a lucrative career path.
There you have it, guys! 6 incredible side hustles to make serious bank this summer. Pick 1 or 2 that resonate with your skills and interests, and give it your all. With hard work and creativity, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Get out there, hustle hard, and make this summer one to remember. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Share this video with your friends so they can join in on the summer hustle too. Until next time, peace out.